Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Imagemagick for Windows and making it accessible from the command line. Once installed, make sure the installer added Imagemagick to your path or add it manually, then open CMD or PowerShell. Run Magic version to confirm the binary responds, and run Magic identify sample. JPG to verify image handling. These first checks ensure you can run later commands without permission or path problems. Once done, you're ready to run conversion and editing commands right away. Now you'll perform core edits, format conversion, resizing, and batches. Use Magic input, PNG output, JPG to convert, and add quality 85 to control JPEG compression. For resizing, use resize 800x600. For precise crops, use crop 400x300 plus 10+10. To process many files, use Mogrify format JPG asterisk. PNG, but make sure you test on copies first. Use quoted paths when file names contain spaces, and include verbose to inspect processing. These steps finish by exporting files into a clear folder structure and validate outputs with Identify or your File Explorer. Automate recurring workflows with a BAT or PowerShell script that calls Magic or Mogrify, adds timestamps, and logs errors. Schedule with Task Scheduler if needed. If something goes wrong, first confirm the path and file permissions, then rerun a single command with Magic Debug all to surface errors. That diagnostic output usually reveals missing delegates, corrupt files, or permission issues you can fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.